Hello everybody, good day. I'm Francis at Natividad. Today's menu, our traditional Filipino food salad that brings colors to your Christmas, New Year, birthdays, and fiestas table. With this traditional Filipino food salad, super easy and quick to make, that is the perfect dessert for all occasions. Course, dessert, cruising Filipino. Keyword, Filipino food salad. Serving, 10. Calories, 52k calories. Chef, Francis at Natividad. 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. 1 pack all-purpose cream. 1 cup of mixed fruit cocktail, syrup cream. 1 cup young coconut meat shredded into strips. 1 cup corn kernel syrup drained. 1 cup of coang, sugar palm fruit cream. 1 cup of nata de coco coconut gel blend. Half a cup of cheese cut into tiny cubes. In a large bowl or container with a lid, combine and mix the sweetened condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Add the rest of the ingredients and give it a good toss until well combined. Cover bowl and chill for several hours before serving. May also be frozen. It can be served up to 10 servings and enjoy eating. Thanks for watching and goodbye. This is the finished product.